Okay. Good day, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching or joining me from. And it's such a delight to have you guys join me this beautiful afternoon. My name is Adetola Freeman, as you might already know, and this is our NFP broadcast stream. Before we go into what the whole NFP thing has in store for you as a trader, I'm going to be just sharing with you a couple of things that I believe would be able to come in handy in helping you trade better as professionals, all right, in order to be able to gain mastery as professionals in the financial market. So, having said that, I'm going to be teaching you two major things this afternoon. I'm speaking from Nigeria, so it's afternoon over here. So, we're going to be talking about, first of all, how do I trade the news? All right, there are a couple of trading strategies you can adopt, all right, when it comes to trading the news, but I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most popular ones that I believe is really simple, all right, and it's easy to start making money with, all right, actually quite easy. So let's go right into the chart. This strategy is called the straddle trading strategy, and it's one of the oldest fundamental trading strategies out there. All right. So, what exactly is the straddle trading strategy? It's simply a strategy that looks at the markets. All right. Because usually before a major news event, all right, most times you'll find the market consolidating. All right, forming patterns and just being sluggish because most investors are going to be averse towards the market. All right, they're going to be avoiding the market because they also want to see the direction that the market would go as a result of the news publication or the news release. So oftentimes before a major news, you get to observe consolidations like we have in this area that I have marked out. All right, you can see that box there. That signifies the consolidation. All right, this is the 1 hour time frame. I usually prefer to work on the 1 hour time frames, especially using the straddle trading strategy. So once you have done this, you've marked out the high of the consolidation, all right, and the low of the consolidation. Okay, once you've marked that out, the next thing you want to do at that point is you want to be able to um, set pending orders, all right, which simply means that if the momentum from the news release is able to break below this is the low, all right, if the momentum from the news is able to come below this low, all right, then we simply expect that it is going to test every other support that exists, all right, which in this case, this is the first support from this low, and this lows all over here. All right, that's the first support, which is going to be our TP1 in the event that price breaks below this low. All right, and then we can have our TP2 somewhere around here, all right, which is based on this low, this high, all right, or maybe we can do this, yes, this low, and then all of these areas as we saw previously. Then we can have the TP3 somewhere here, all right, which will be based on this high and then this high, and possibly any other high that's exactly this lows over here, this two lows and this high. Okay, so we already have our TP1, 2, 3 in the event that price breaks below this low over here. So what if price ends up breaking above this high, all right? Where is my take profit going to be? So this will be my first take profit position, all right, based off of this low and then this low, all right? Or maybe if I want to stretch my lock, I could just stretch it this much, all right, which will be based off this low, then this high, then this low, all right? That would be TP1, and then this would be TP2, and I'm using this as TP2 because of this low here, this low here, this low here, then also the retest here. And then my TP3 could be somewhere around here, all right, based on this high from this week, this low from this week, then this high at the same time from here. All right, so we also have 3 TPs in the event that price breaks above the previous high. All right, so once you have marked out that, all right, your entry is from the breakout of either the high or the low. So once you've marked that out, what you're simply going to now wait for is what exactly would happen once the news is released. All right, so all you're doing at that point is that you're simply waiting to see how the news is going to, reflect on the market, what impact the news is going to have on the market. All right, so if you got that, can you please let me know in the comment section if you clearly understood that explanation that I just communicated. All right, that teaching about the straddle trading strategy, if you got it clearly, can you please indicate in the comment section, and also please drop a kind like and let me know that that has been impactful. That was not a pair, all right. I was just teaching you how to execute or trade the fundamental news, all right, using pure straddle trading strategy. All right, the ideal time frame for straddling is the 1 hour time frame. All right, that is for me the best time frame that I have found. All right, if you're just joining, don't be in a hurry, relax. We're still waiting for the news. All right, although we have all of our setups marked out based on the straddle trading strategy. So if you have not yet dropped a like, please do that right now. All right, please do that right now. So for Euro USD, all right, for Euro USD, you can see that I have marked out the previous high, the previous low of the consolidation, all right, and all we're waiting for is for price to break out of this consolidation, all right. So what you want to do is on the 1 hour time frame, mark out this box as you've seen me do here, all right. Just mark it out, okay, just mark it out, which means that if price breaks above this high, we have our pending order at this high, all right, which is our buy stop, all right, and then we have our sell stop at this low down here, all right, and our TP1 for Euro USD if there's a sell scenario, our TP1 is 1.08137, all right, that's the TP1 sell. All right, hold on. Let me see if we can make this a better. Hold on, please. I'm trying to. All right, that doesn't work. All right. So for the sell, the TP1 is 1.08142. TP2 is 1.08016, 1.08016, and TP3 is 1.07875. All right, and that is in the event that we have a sell situation. For the buy, our TP1 is 1.08742, TP2 is 1.08927, and then TP3 is 1.09079. All right, that's TP3 for a buy position on Euro USD. All right, let me answer a few questions. For the case of when, there's a whipsaw, all right, that's what we call it. When price fakes out, all right, creates a fake out, all right, instead of breaking out of a zone, then it decides to create a wick, all right, then before moving. Usually that happens, all right, but honestly, one way to secure yourself from that is to ensure that your take profit positions are not too far. All right, your take profit positions are not too far from your entry. All right, that's the first thing. Then let me see. All of you saying you should sell gold. Please note that that is not my advice. All right. I have shown you the straddle trading strategy because that is what we're going to be working with. Okay, that's what we're working with. So we've marked out the buy stop and the sell stop on Euro USD. All right, so we're going to go back to the charts to talk about GBP USD and then gold. But let me quickly answer the question on how many candles back do you consider. Usually you don't want to move too far away from the current market situation, all right? You don't want to move too far away from the current market scenario. And for Twino, you're asking me what is a buy stop or a sell stop. Those are types of pending orders, all right? And how do you set it? You simply come to the position where you want to set it, then you right click on your chart, all right? Then you go to trading, all right? And then you can set a buy stop, all right? You can see this is a buy stop that has been set here, all right? Then to set your TPs, you simply double click on it, all right? And then you enter the value of your take profit position. Here, my first take profit is around 1.08. Yes, 1.08741. All right, so I now have, from my buy stop here, you can see that I now have a take profit here, which is my TP1. All right, so that is for TP1. If you want to use multiple take profits, it means that you're going to need to have multiple buy stop orders. All right, and then you can set the take profit of the first one to TP1, take profit of the second one to TP2, take profit of the third one to TP3. All right, or you can just set your buy stop and then put your take profit at TP3. All right, and then once price gets to TP1, you can put a break even order. All right, so let's get back into the chart. So for Euro USD, draw this box. All right, draw this box from the high of this this consolidation to the low. All right, just draw that rectangle. All right, and then your entry for the buy stop is when price breaks above this previous high. Your entry for the sell stop is when price breaks below this low. All right, so your buy stop is at this high, your sell stop is at this low, and then these are our take profits on GBP USD. On Euro USD rather. For GBP USD, you can also draw the exact same thing. All right, you can draw the exact same thing. In your own case, you might make the box a bit smaller. All right, but this is GBP USD. This is the consolidation area, which means that our buy stop is after price has broken above this region, and our sell stop is after price has broken below this region. So you can set your sell stop at the base of this low and your buy stop at the top of this high. All right, so if price breaks above this high, we want to buy all the way to maybe TP1 would be somewhere here. All right, let me do that. TP1, let's adjust it here. This can be 2. Then we can make this our TP3. All right, so price breaks above this high, it will activate our buy stop, and then we would be entered for a buy. And this is TP1 here at 1.27073. All right, this is TP2 here at 1.27219. And this is TP3 here at 1.27347 for a buy on GBP USD. All right, for sell, all right, our TP1 is at 1.26270, 26207. All right, TP2 is 1.26039, and TP3 is 1.25884. All right, so those are the TPs for our sell stop, and we already talked about the TPs for our buy stop. And then finally for gold, all right, finally for gold, this is the box, which is our consolidation area. This is the high, this is the low. All right, and our buy stop is above this previous high. all right, around 1947.45. So if price breaks above this previous high, all right, our TP1 is currently at 1951.61. Our TP2 is at 1955.11. And our TP3 is 1958.51. All right, but in the event that price breaks below this low, all right, and then gold begins to sell, then our sell stop will be activated at this low here, and our TP1 is 1934.63, TP2 is 1930.09, and then TP3 would be 1925.63. All right, so those are our three take profits for the sell stop, and we've also discussed the three take profits for our buy stop orders. So as you might have noticed, the analysis is being done right now on the 1 hour time frame. In the event that it breaks, then reverses, I think that the worst case scenario would be that price would get to your TP1. I honestly think that would be the worst case scenario. All right. So please, if you have not yet dropped a like on this stream right now, please do well to drop a like. All right, just drop a like. There are just 27 likes right now. So please ensure that you give us even more likes. All right, just drop a thumbs up. Let's know that you're actively involved in this stream. All right, keep the likes coming. Keep the likes coming. We have 32 now. I'd appreciate if we can get up to 100 likes on this video, on this stream right now. All right. And please don't forget, I have taught you today how to actually practice straddle trading strategy. All right. So please do not forget everything that I have taught you today. All right. Straddle trading strategy would help you to be able to trade virtually every single high volume news. All right. Virtually all high volume or high impact news. All right. Once the momentum is solid, just know that you can easily straddle your way into profit. All right. And massive profit at that. Okay. So 1 more minute to the release of the news. I'm sure a lot of you are sitting on the edge of your seats right now. All right. It's just 1 more minute, 1 more minute, 1 more minute. Keep the likes coming, guys. Keep the likes coming. We're at 50 right now, and I need 50 more likes. So yes, let's see how Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So guys, the news is out. The news is now out. Let's see if the news would give us enough momentum to break out of the consolidation. All right, I think it has moved already. We've gotten the break. Yes, so our buy limit has been activated on Euro USD, which should be the same thing on gold. Gold has even hit our TP1. As you can see, gold has reached TP1. GBP USD has also activated our buy stop. All right, so this is Euro USD buy stop activated. All right, and it's approaching our TP1 already. So this is the moment where I feel like singing. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. But of course, you know this is an official stream, so I wouldn't really sing it. But if you heard me sing it, then probably you heard me thinking that I was going to sing it. Either of those two. All right, so gold has hit TP1 and now it's heading straight for TP2. Euro USD, our TP1 is at 1 point. Let me check. Hold on, please. Our TP1 for Euro USD is 1.08741. All right. And I think price is almost there right now. Good. Price has gotten to our TP1 on Euro USD. All right. TP1 on Euro USD. Let's check GBP USD. Yes, pretty much the same thing. We're almost at TP1. Yes, TP1 on GBP USD as well. That means gold should almost be at TP2. All right. So if you are in profit, please go straight to the Telegram group. All right, go straight to the Telegram group and drop screenshots of your profit. All right, let's make some noise. All right, let your friends, let your colleagues, let every other person that missed this, let them know that they actually really did miss a lot. All right. All right, so we have TP1 already on gold. We have TP1 already on Euro USD, TP1 already on GBP USD. All right, and as you can see, even on DXY, we already hit TP1. All right. So if you're excited about this, please make some noise on the Telegram group. Oh, sorry about that. But if you're in profit, please do like this stream. Drop a like, drop a comment. Let's know that you made some money. All right, let's know that you made some money. All right, Euro USD approaching TP2. Gold also, all right, gold is making a light retracement. But of course, I think that I'm pretty confident that gold should also reach TP2. All right. So, which was why you heard me correct, somebody who came in and commented that, oh, people should actually sell gold. All right. Please do not sell gold. Oh, okay, Arium. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't know you were blocked in the group. Okay, so let me quickly teach you what we do in situations like this, all right? Now that you are in profit, your take profit one has been hit. If you want to keep holding the trade, all right, just move your stop loss to entry, all right? It's called a break even. So break even and then wait for the momentum to carry the market as far as it would, all right? But if you can't wait and you're already in profit, now would be a very good time to close the trade because as you can see, the momentum seems to be dropping slightly. All right, the momentum seems to be dropping slightly. So if you want to consolidate on your profits, you can just close your trades in profit right now. All right, and nobody's going to prosecute you for that. After all, profit is profit, right? Yes, Mfundo, thanks for the greeting. All right. Thanks for the greeting, Mfundo. You know, we should be in South Africa in a couple of weeks. I think that should be 16th of September. We would be at the Financial Expo. All right. So if you are available at that time, you can simply come around, meet with our analysts, meet with our team. All right. And I can promise you it's going to be a remarkable experience. Okay. So I want to believe that virtually everybody on this stream has made some profit. All right. I really want to believe that everybody on this stream has made some profit. If you didn't, then it's probably because you really didn't know what you were doing or you didn't pay attention. Everything that I mentioned right from the beginning of the stream. And for USD JPY, I don't think I need to, go into that again. USD JPY definitely should be a sell. All right. And in fact, USD JPY has gotten to my TP3. I'm sorry I didn't give you guys entry on USD JPY. I naturally just forgot about it. All right. If not for someone that just mentioned that. This was USD JPY. My sell stop was here. This is TP1, TP2, and this is almost at TP3 right now. All right. As you can see. So right now, I don't think that anybody should have a doubt about whether or not the straddle trading strategy works. All right, I don't think anybody should have a doubt about whether it works or not. So, guys, if you've not yet dropped a like, please kindly drop a like. All right, like I promised, we're going to be starting some really remarkable webinars soon, and you guys don't want to miss it. All right, we're going to be starting webinars soon, and attending those webinars will give you the opportunity to win a 1-week mentorship with me. All right, with me. Yes, I think the event is going to be at Johannesburg. All right, so if you're available and you can make the trip to Johannesburg, please do. All right, would love to connect with as many of our clients as possible in person. This strategy is only applicable to high volatility news. All right, especially for the US dollar. All right, high volatility news. And I wouldn't be giving anybody re-entry opportunities. All right, this is USD TP3 already cleared. All right, TP3 already cleared on USD So, guys, it's as beautiful as it looks. Okay, so guys, if you've made some profit, I would advise that you close your trade. Yes, I think this works on CPI as well. All right, but not all the time, because sometimes CPI comes out and the volume behind the news is not so effective. All right, so CPI as well, but I would advise that you pay good attention to your chart, and like I said, ensure that your TPs are not so far from your entries. All right, make sure that your TPs are as close to your entries as possible. All right, so guys, we're going to be wrapping up here right about now. All right. Of course, you can read up on the strategy, do some more research, but also note that my own approach to straddle trading strategy might end up being slightly different from whatever you're going to end up seeing on the internet. All right. Okay. Umfundo, if you're not able to make it down to Johannesburg, you can simply follow up on the news. I'm definitely certain that we're going to be updating all of our clients, as the event goes. You're going to get access to updates on how the event is going. So you can always do that right now. All right, someone is asking me what's happening to DXY. You can see DXY is getting weaker. It has gotten to TP2, which means that we should still be positive on Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. And as you can see, USD JPY has even bypassed my TP3, and this is going to be like TP4 already, or 5. All right, so any resources to read up on the strategy, I would sincerely just advise that you just check on the internet. All right. Yes, of course, of course. eBay Peter, I am not sure that we have a publication about the straddle trading strategy at the moment, but trust me, when we do, you would get to see it. All right, you'll get to see it. So I want to say a big thank you to everybody that has joined me on this call this beautiful afternoon. I love you guys so much, all right, and I want you to know that as well. All right, so with that, I'm going to be signing out, and I look forward to getting to see your testimonials, your screenshots, and the profits that you guys have made from this stream. Once again, if you have not yet dropped a like, please do well to drop a like on this video right now. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Have a fantastic rest of the day. God bless you. Cheers, and I wish you very, very profitable trading month. Happy new month. Welcome to September from myself, Adetola Freeman, and God bless you. Bye-bye.